Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to view shared files on Gmail Spaces using your PC. With the latest updates, accessing and managing your shared files has become a breeze. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. If you aren't logged in yet, simply enter your email and password to access your inbox. Once you're in, you're ready to explore the new features. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Chat. This will redirect you to the chat interface, where you can access all your messages and spaces. Next, check the left side menu in the chat window. You'll see options for direct messages, group chats, and spaces. Click on Spaces to see a list of all the collaborative spaces you're part of. This section is designed for teamwork, allowing you to share resources and communicate effectively. Once you've found the space you want to check, click on it to enter. This opens up the space where you can view conversations, updates, and all the shared content. At the top of the space window, you'll notice a tab labeled Shared. Click on the Shared section, and here's where the magic happens. You'll see all the files that have been shared within this space, making it easy to locate documents, images, and other resources you may need. From this section, you can view, download, or even collaborate on the files. It's an efficient way to keep everything organized and ensures you have quick access to the materials crucial for your projects. To recap, to view shared files on Gmail Spaces, simply open gmail.com. Click the 9 dots next to your profile photo. Select Chat. Choose Spaces from the left menu, enter your desired space, and then click on the Shared section at the top. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy collaborating!